Andrew's back on vocals and drums. Come on.
Jessie is a friend. Yeah, I know he's been a good friend of mine. But lately something's changed and ain't hard to define. Jessie's got himself a girl and I wanna make her mine. And she's watching with those eyes, and she's loving him with that body of Jessie's good. And she's holding her in his arms, sleeping at night. You know I wish that I had Jessie's girl. I wish that I had Jessie's girl. Why can't I find a woman like that? I play along with the charade. I doesn't even need a reason to change. No, I feel so dirty when she starts talking cute. I wanna tell her that I love her, but the phone is not removed. And she's watching with those eyes.